You can run the bounce cleanup flow manually using the execute button, or later replace it with a schedule trigger if you want it fully automated. We pull all Gmail messages from mailerdemon@googlemail.com. These are automatic bounce notifications sent whenever an email fails to deliver. We sort all bounce messages by date and keep only the latest five. This ensures we don't overload the workflow and only act on fresh failures. Now we extract the actual failed email address from the Gmail snippet. We use a regex to detect lines like wasn't delivered to someone email.com. For each bounce, we extract failed email, subject ID, snippet. In parallel, we read the entire contact sheet. Columns include name, email, status, and last updated. This gives us the master list to compare against. We merge the two data streams, bounce list and sheet contact list. This prepares everything for matching. Now we check each contact row. If their email appears in the bounced list, mark as not found. If not, mark as not sent. We also update the last updated timestamp. We update the Google Sheet row by row using match on name, update status, and last updated. Your sheet now has fresh status values reflecting real bounce logs. Every evening at 7 p.m., this flow starts automatically. No manual action needed. We fetch the entire sheet again, but this time for reporting. We now have the statuses that were updated earlier. We count the number of not found emails, which are invalid or bounced, and not sent emails, which are no activity. Both counts are returned as a clean summary object. Finally, we send a clean, formatted summary to Slack, including the number of invalid emails and the number of no activity emails, plus an automated message to keep lists healthy. This keeps your team updated every day.